Hi, I'm Leeda Tahiri from the Oaks Home Team and welcome to 905B Elmsmere Road. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath row unit is perfect for a first-time home buyer or an investment property. The home is fully renovated with a fully finished basement and a fenced backyard and is also located seconds away from the new Costco on Ogilvy Road. So before I give it all away, come on in and let's check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home. If you'd like to get in for an exclusive tour, contact me or my office for more details.